Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you a 10-minute simple party makeup video. So I'm starting with the Lakme 95cc complexion care cream. I'm using the beige shade. It is an all-in-one instant skin stylish with SPF 30 PA, and it costs around 290 rupees. In this makeup tutorial, I want the base to be simple, and I want to give more enhancement towards the eye, so I'll be giving more importance to the eye makeup today. And for all my new viewers, please do subscribe my video and tap on the bell icon right next to it to get all my videos notified. And please do like, share and comment on it for more videos. Now here I'm using my hands to blend the foundation. You can use a sponge, beauty blender, or your hands according to your wish. Now I had bought a mercury filled beauty blender, but it was not suiting to my skin, so I discarded it. So do try it on your skin before you use it on your face, otherwise you will get into trouble. Now starting with the eye makeup, I'm using the Faces Canada Ultim Pro face palette, the 3-in-1 with the highlighter, bronzer and blush. It costs rupees 8.99 for one palette, and it gives you a sculpted look which will enhance and illuminate your complexion. And I'm using the beauty brush set, the crocodile grain series, the bristles with high quality. Now I'm using the eyeshadow sponge brush for the eyeshadow base. I'm using the blush pink color for it, so I'll be applying from the corner of my eyes and into the eyes, and I'll be fully applying it on my eyes. If you just want light shade, you can just put it on twice or thrice, so you will get like a light shade, but I need a slightly more darker pink shade. So now I'm using my powder brush and applying it for a more darker shade. So I'll be moving from my outer corner of my eyes to the inside of my eyes. No, I won't be putting in the center of my eyes because I have to put on the highlighter later on. So you can apply it according to your wish, because for me I like it more darker. And while you apply, make sure that you don't make a mistake by making the powder fall below your eyes, because then the eyeshadow altogether will look very bad. So at last you can see that I'll be cleaning that up, so you must do that too. Now I'm almost finished with my shading of my dark blush eyeshadow, so I'll be moving on to the highlighter. So I'm using the Ultim Pro highlighter and an angled liner brush along with it. So I'll be using the highlighter at the tip of my eyes and half portion below my eyes to get a fuller look. I'll be also adding the same highlighter above my eyes in the center portion, because it gives a wide and fuller look, and also it kind of gives a good shine to the eyes with a bright finish. So it gives a finished look only with the highlighter coming along with it. So guys, don't forget to add on with it. And now I'll be adding the highlighter to the center of my eyes. I'm using my fingers itself to tap it on towards my eyes. So there's more, it gives a more finished look if you use the fingers more than the brush. So make sure you add it to the center of your eyes rather than going to the end portion of your eyes, because it gives a really good shine. So make sure you do that, guys. So that's how it will look like after adding the highlighter. It gives a kind of a really simple party makeup with the highlighter on. You can as well add the highlighter below your eyebrows. So I'm adding the highlighter below my eyebrows so that it gives a more sharp look for the eyebrows. Now I'm using the eyebrow spoolie and a Lakme kajal. So my eyebrows are kind of light, so I want to make it a little bit darker. I really don't like making it really very dark, but the starting portion of my eyebrows and all uh, not fully packed, as you can see. So I wanted to uh, be kind of more darker, so I applied the kajal, and I also and I am shaping it with the eyebrow spoolie. You will get it along with the brush series, so it gives a more fuller look. You can see it gives a more fuller look. Now I'll be adding the Lakme eyeliner. So I wanted to look kind of a uh, like a cat eyes. So I'm start behind my eyes, and then I'll add a line behind my eyes, and I'll start it from the front, and I'll join the lines towards the guideline. So if you like a thin cat eyes, then you can do like that as well, but I like it more, a bit more bolder than the normal thin one. So I'll be make it kind of little more bolder, so you'll get a triangle behind the eyes, and you have to shade it with the eyeliner, shade the whole blank space with the eyeliner. Now I like it kind of bold, so I'm giving it a twice or thrice bolder than a normal simple line. So that's how it looks like. And now I'm using the Lakme kajal inside my eyes, so I like it more when I apply the kajal inside my eyes to get like a black full eyes. So I'll be adding it inside my eyes, as well as I'll be adding it below my eyes, just like a smudgy effect. I'll be adding kind of a bit below my eyes. I won't be darkening it too much, because it will, the look will go after all. Now I'm using the Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter. This is actually limited by Sabyasachi edition. Now it costs around 725 rupees. It's really good because this is having like two shades, a darker shade and like a lighter shade. It's kind of shimmery. It gives a kind of shimmery glitter finish. So you can actually add it fully on your face. Also, you can just finish up the finish up the eyes eye makeup by adding this Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter, because it gives us glittery finish. It's really cool. And then I'll be finishing the eye makeup with the mascara, and this is the Maybelline New York Colossal uh, Volume Express. It's waterproof. It's really good. It's actually in a yellow color box, and it costs 400 rupees. So that is a cost. So that is how it looks like. So guys, do subscribe and hit the like button if you like it. Don't forget to share and comment. Bye guys.